water flow and go.
This is amazing. So I'm sitting here, we're sitting here. And this is so pretty and picturesque.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah, it sure is. I think the biggest worry I have right now is capsizing. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right. He said it was only 3 to 4 to 5 to maybe 9 feet deep in some places. Wow, so exciting.
How many days in Jamaica?
We're here till Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, are you here till Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Today's Sunday?
Yeah.
Or wait.
So today's
Yeah.
the last day?
No.
No.
Next week.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Okay.
We're in Jamaica, yay! And we're on a river. Okay, so this is called the Martha Brae.
Martha Brae.
Yes. This is the Martha Brae experience. And you said it was about 3 miles long?
Yeah, we're doing 3 miles.
Nice.
3 miles.
Can you imagine if I had to swim this? There's no way at all. So cool. Going down the Martha.